Tasker is a very powerful Android application that lets you trigger action based on context like location, date, time, event, and gesture, etc. Hey there, this is Mrinal once again and welcome to RTD Videocast. In this video, we are going to find out 5 simple yet useful things that you can do with Tasker. This is a beginner's guide, so if you don't have experience of using Tasker before, you are good to go. And having said that, let's get started. Although Tasker is a paid application available on Google Play for $3, you can get the free trial version for 7 days from its official website. The link to the official website will be in the description box below. So once you have downloaded and installed Tasker on your Android smartphone, just go ahead and open it. And once you open it, you may find it little overwhelming because the user interface is quite hard to understand for the beginners, but don't worry, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Tasker and you will be able to understand how the system works. So the first thing that you need to do is click on this 3 vertical dots on the top right and then select the preference option, and then from there select uncheck mark this beginners mode. We are doing this because beginners mode unblocks most of the useful options. So first thing that you need to do is uncheck mark this beginners mode. Then if you go back, you will see that there are a couple of other options appearing like profile, task, scenes and variable. And now in this case, since it's a beginner's guide, we are only interested in profile and task. So what the task is in Tasker, if you want to perform some actions, you do it under the task option, and the profile option specifies when this task will be executed or triggered. Now let's understand them better with the help of the following 5 examples. Start with launching the Tasker application. Now here you can see that there is a profile option and a task option. We will be working with both of these. So in our case, what we want to do is whenever we are plugging in the headphones in the audio jack like this one, we want the music player application to launch automatically and then start playing the music and without even pressing a single button. So in our case, the trigger will be plugging in the headphones in the audio jack, and the task that we want to perform or the actions that we want to perform is start playing the music automatically and launching the media app. So go to this profile option and you can see that there is a small plus sign at the bottom right. Click on it and select the state. Now we want to select the state as plugging in our microphone. So go to this hardware and select the headset plugged option. Now you can see that there is 3 type. To avoid any confusion, you can just stay to this any, and then to confirm in Tasker, to confirm you will have to go back. So just go back, and now you will have to select a task that you want to perform whenever you insert the microphone in the audio jack. So in our case, we want to perform a task of launching the applications, media applications, and then start playing the music automatically. So add a new task and give it a name you want. In my case, I will be giving a name play music. So now you are brought to this task or the action menu. Now the action that we want to perform here is automatically launching the media app. So click on this, it says that click on the plus button to add an action. So go to or click on this, tap on this plus button and select the app, and we want to launch an app, so select the launch app option. And now you have to select the application or the media application that you want to launch. In my case, I will be launching Spotify, but you can also launch any other application that you prefer like Pandora or the default play music. If you don't know how to get Spotify outside the available country like US and Europe, then you can watch my previous tutorial. The link will be in the description box below as well. So select the Spotify. Now you can keep the other options as default, and then to confirm just go back. Now the first task we have selected is launching the application. Next thing we want to make sure is whenever we launch the application, the volume are set to maximum. So go to the plus sign once again and select the audio of the media volume to be maximum. So what this will do is, even if you are having low volume and you plugged in your microphone or your headphones, then it will automatically launch the application and with the volume of maximum. So to test it, let's reduce the volume and click on this small play button at the bottom left, and you can see that it has launched the Spotify application and the volume are set to maximum. Now go back. Now next thing that you want to make sure is, whenever you are playing or whenever you are launching the application, it start playing the music automatically, because as you can see here, you have to click on this play button to play the music, but we don't want to do that. So for that you will need a plugin or the third party application, and luckily there is a plugin available for Tasker, but you will have to download it from the Google Play. So open up your Google Play and look for the media utilities. I have already downloaded and installed it on my system, so I will just go and open it. And once you open this media utility application, make sure that you have only selected the application that you want to use to avoid any confusion. So I will just remove the Google Play since I am only using the Spotify. So go to this media app and remove media app, Google Play. Now go back to the tasker, and the third action that you want to perform is using a media utilities plugin. So go to this plus sign and then select the plugin option and select the media utilities action from there. You can keep the other things as default, and to confirm, one more thing that you want to do is go to this configure option and then select the play smart option. What it does or what it will do is, we will see in the next part of this video. Now just go back. So we have ready. Just to test it, click on this play button, and as you can see, it's working fine. So to test this application, I will just plug in my headphones or my speaker headset jack and keep the speaker on so that you can see what is going to happen. So what you can see is, whenever I plug in my microphone, it's automatically launched the Spotify, and once I remove it, it automatically pause or stop the Spotify app. So this is what the smart play option was all about. Let's try it once again. Now in this case, what we want to do is, whenever our phone is ringing, whenever we are receiving an incoming call or an SMS notification, or even if we are listening to music and someone walk to us and start talking to us, all we need to do is turn our phone back facing down, and it will activate the silent profile. So to do that, just go to the profile section, and in this case, changing the orientation of the phone facing down will be the trigger or the profile, and the task that we want to perform after that will be activating the silent mode. So under profile, go to this plus sign and tap on it and select the state as, go to this sensor option, and from there you will see the orientation option. Now change the orientation to face down. So whenever we are changing the phone orientation to face down, we want to perform the task of silent mode. Now create a new task and give it a name. In my case, I will give it a name as silent mode. Now under the task option, click on the plus sign, and from the audio select silent mode and turn it on. So what we have done is, whenever the orientation is facing down, we activate the silent mode, and once it is turned back on, the silent mode is turned off. So now check it. In the previous case, we have used our headphones jack to trigger the Spotify. Let's test it with that only. So whenever I will insert this headphone jack, the music application should launch and play the music automatically. And as you can see, the silent profile has been activated. Now when I will turn it back on, it will automatically start playing the music. Now some of you will only be interested in activating the silent mode whenever you are receiving an incoming call. So for that there is a simple option. All we have to do is add in another profile of incoming call. So this will add as an AND gate. If you have known what the AND gate is, you will know what I mean to say. So go to this option of orientation face down and press on it for 3 seconds and then select the add option, and from there you want to trigger an event. So select an event and go to the phone option and select phone ringing. You can specify the caller or I will leave it for everyone else, so just confirm and go back. Now what will happen is whenever the phone is ringing and whenever the orientation is face down, only then it will activate the silent profile. So now if I just play the music, so you can see that nothing happened in this case because I haven't received a call. Now in this case, whenever we are connected to home Wi-Fi network, we want to disable our keyguard or the lock screen, and whenever we are outside our home that is not connected to our home Wi-Fi network, we want to re-enable our lock screen. So in this case, our profile or the trigger action will be connected to the home Wi-Fi network, and in this case it is RTT, and our task or the action that we want to perform when we are connected to home Wi-Fi network is disabling the keyguard. So go to the profile section and on the plus sign select the state, and from there select the net option, and from there you can see there is a Wi-Fi connected option. So from there you will have to enter your Wi-Fi name or the Wi-Fi SSID. In my case the SSID of my Wi-Fi name is RTT. Make sure that the spelling is correct, and once you are done, to confirm just go back. Now the action that you want to perform whenever you are connected to your home Wi-Fi is to disable the lock screen. So I will create a new task and I'll give it a name, let's say disable lock screen. Okay, now what we want to do next is click on this plus sign like we did in the previous options, and then go to display, and from there you can see there is a keyguard option. Just set the keyguard to turn off and go back. Now let's test it out. Right now I am at home and connected to my Wi-Fi network, so I don't have to enter the lock screen code again and again. And as you can see, I don't have to enter my lock screen code. Now just turn off my Wi-Fi by enabling the airplane mode. Now my phone will assume that I'm not connected. Since I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi, I may be out somewhere, and it should now enable my lock screen. Let's just test it out, and as you can see my lock screen has appeared. To save some battery juice of your Android smartphone and also have a good night's sleep, you can program your smartphone accordingly. So for me, I usually go to bed at 12 at night and wake up at 6 in the morning. So in this case, my trigger will be at the time duration from 12 to 6, and the action that I want to perform is turning off my Wi-Fi, reducing my brightness, or setting up an alarm, and also changing the profile to silent mode automatically. And in the morning as I woke up, they will be revert back on automatically. So in this case my profile or the trigger will be the time slot from 12 to 6. So just select the time slot here. And to confirm, just go back. Now we need to create a new task. For that, go to new task and just give it a name as night mode or night profile. So the first action that I want to do is activate my silent profile. I don't want to get disturbed from the unnecessary calls at night. So usually I do activate my silent profile and take my smartphone to vibrate mode. So go to this plus option, and from there select audio and activate the night mode. And it is advisable to go for the vibrate mode so that you can get the emergency calls, and also don't turn off your SMS notification, etc. Now next I need to do is deactivate or turn off my Wi-Fi because it eats lot of battery. So just go to this plus sign once again, and from net select Wi-Fi and set it off. And another cool thing that you can do is automatically launch your alarm app. If you are not sure when you want to wake up, just launch the alarm app, and from there go to this app option and select launch app. Here I will be using alarm app called puzzle alarm clock, but you can use any other app that you have installed, and keep the other option as default. Go back. So these things will be trigger automatically when the clock hits 12 o'clock, and then the changes will be reverted back at 6 in the morning. So once you are done, just go back and your profile has been set. If you want to set this profile for some particular day, just tap on it and add the day or the event or the location or etc. that you want. In my case, I will just leave it. And to show you a practical demonstration on how this thing will look like, I will just change the time to right now. So just go here and edit the time to now and make it 12:14 and go back. So once the clock will hit 10:14, as you can see from there, it will automatically launch the alarm app and turn off my Wi-Fi and activate the silent mode. In this case, we are trying to achieve that whenever the battery falls down to certain threshold, below the certain threshold, then an automatic SMS is sent to your wife or your girlfriend or to your mom, stating that hey there, I'm okay, my battery level is down and I won't be able to contact you for some time, and don't worry about that. So in this case, our trigger action will be falling down of a battery level, and the task or the action that it will perform is sending an SMS. So go to the profile section, and from the plus sign at the bottom select the state option, then go to the power option and select the battery level. Now in my case, I want to send an SMS when the battery level falls down from 5%, so I will just select the 5 here and keep the you should keep the 2 more than or equal to from, but not less than that. So once you are done, go back and confirm it. Now what I want to do is, whenever my battery level falls below 5%, I want to send an auto SMS. So select alert mom, let me just give it a name, alert mom. Now whenever the battery level falls less than 5%, I want to send an automatic SMS to my mom. So just go to under the task option, click on this plus sign, and then go to this phone option and then select send SMS. Now from here you can enter the number, or you can directly search from your contact list and then select the message like and then select the number. Let me just give it a hypothetical number. And once you are done, the message says that hey there, my battery level is down, phone won't be reachable for some time, and don't worry, and then go back. So whenever the battery level will fall down to 5%, an SMS will automatically send, and then your loved ones won't have to be worried about you. Well, this is all for now. It was a small beginner's video for the people who haven't used Tasker before. But if you want me to make intermediate videos or even advanced videos for Tasker, then do let me know using the comment section below. And for more tips, tricks and daily life hack, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be making some quality videos from now on. And having said that, this is Mina signing off, and like always, thanks for watching. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.